Stop. Don't do it. Don't put your money into the market until you hear this. Some of the smartest investors in the world are warning. This is not the time to go in blind. You could make a fortune in the months ahead, or you could lose everything, depending on what you do next. Peter Berezin warns the S&P may be moments from a sharp drop, and that's got to get your attention. Ed Yardeni sees signs of a melt-up rally, something that often ends with a brutal reversal. Michael Hartnett at Bank of America calls this a policy-fueled bubble driven by hype and blind momentum. Hamish Douglas believes AI disruption could wipe out half the market as we know it. These aren't doomcasters. These are experienced investors raising red flags because they've seen what happens when overconfidence blinds people. But here's the other side of the story, and you need to hear this too. Some analysts believe the next stretch could bring strong gains if you know where to look. Morgan Stanley's Mike Wilson says improving earnings and a weaker dollar could drive the market to new highs this year, with the S&P 500 possibly climbing toward 6,500. When we've seen setups like this in the past, stocks have often rallied double digits in just months.
Here's what no one's telling you. People aren't losing money because they're reckless. They're doing what used to work. But the rules have changed. And if you don't change with them, you're not investing. You're walking into a buzzsaw.
So where does that leave you if you're trying to figure out how to invest without getting crushed in a shifting market? This isn't a call to sit out. It's a call to be smarter, a time to focus on valuations, to know everything you can about what you own, and to avoid copycat investing. Here's what you need to keep front and center. In markets like this, ignorance doesn't just cost you profits. It can cost you everything you worked for. So, yes, there's a path forward, and you need to be doing the following every single time you consider investing. First, always question hype. Stick with real earnings and stay alert, so you act before the crowd, not after. Smart investing in this environment isn't about predicting the future. It's about preparing for it. Spread your risk. Keep cash ready. And above all, stay calm. This market punishes panic, but rewards discipline. Most people will keep doing what feels comfortable. But the ones who thrive, they adapt. They think critically. They stay ready. Next time, we'll reveal 3 sectors that investors are rushing into and why 2 could backfire. Position yourself with clarity. Protect what you've built and take your next step with purpose. Make it count. Make it work. Make it profitable.